Welcome to the best picks. The best bulb extractor tool is probably one of the most useful gadgets you never knew you needed until a light bulb breaks off in its socket, leaving you fumbling in the dark and wondering how to safely remove the remaining fragments. This simple yet ingenious tool transforms a potentially hazardous and frustrating situation into a quick and easy fix, saving you time, money, and the potential for injury. Today, we'll explore what makes a great broken bulb extractor, helping you choose the perfect tool to tackle those pesky broken bulbs. Number 5. Ettore 48350 Bulb Changer Kit. This handy kit makes changing those hard-to-reach light bulbs a breeze. It's perfect for various bulb types and locations. Say goodbye to struggling with broken bulbs. This kit helps you safely remove and replace almost any type of bulb. It's designed to access recessed and track lighting with ease. No more dangerous stretching or precarious balancing acts. Worried about broken glass? Don't be. It comes with a special tool to safely handle broken bulbs. For even higher reach, it's compatible with the Ettore 43011 extension pole, sold separately. Extend your reach and your safety. With its standard threaded end, it easily attaches to the extension pole for those extra high bulbs. Get the job done quickly and safely. This 4-piece kit has everything you need for safe and efficient bulb changes. It's a must-have for any homeowner or professional. What we like. It's a complete kit with multiple tools to handle various broken bulbs. If you need to access hard-to-reach bulbs in recessed or track lighting, this is a great option. Because of its versatility and ability to extend its reach with a pole, sold separately, it's perfect for those hard-to-reach places. What people say. The thing that stood out was that there was a hole in the end of their pole that the set screw went into that keeps the basket from rotating without cracking the plastic. This made it so easy. I have heard in some of the reviews that people had trouble with finding a handle that fit. If you have a Dollar Tree in your area, their poles in the cleaning area fit perfectly. I used the suction cup to remove 2 light bulbs which worked very easily. I used the large cage to install the replacement bulbs. I found the spring to be too tight so I removed it easily, using needle nose pliers. Then I slid the blue grippers up so they would grip the edge of the bulbs, see image. This provided plenty of friction to grip the bulbs and screw them into my sealing cans. Number 4. Bayco LBC 800 Bulb Changer. This is the Bayco LBC 800, designed for safety and durability in tough situations. It's made with quality materials and built to last. It's designed in the USA using high-quality materials. You can trust it to perform when you need it most. Whether you're in tactical situations, enjoying the outdoors, or just need a reliable tool, it's up to the task. It's versatile and dependable. Its durable plastic construction ensures it can withstand even the toughest conditions. It's built to handle whatever you throw at it. Changing broken bulbs is now simple. It makes quick work of incandescent and candelabra bulbs. It's perfect for safely removing those tricky broken incandescent and candelabra bulbs. No more struggling with dangerous shards. What we like. This one is built tough and made in the USA with high-quality materials. If you're tackling tough jobs or need something reliable, this is the right choice. Its simple design makes changing bulbs a breeze, even for those who aren't DIY experts. What people say. I had to take away a few layers of product to fit the tool in the space, but once I did, it fit perfectly in the appliance bulb socket. I turned counterclockwise a few times and immediately could feel the base unscrewing from the socket. A few more turns, and it was out. Excellent product. The kit comes with a small and large extractor, so should be good for any size bulb that breaks. It even has an adapter that allows you to attach it to a pole if you have to reach a socket high up. This gadget does work well. The only problem I had was the handle was a bit too long, making it difficult to reach into the small cavity where my broken bulb was located, the underside of a wall-mounted microwave, above my stove. But I managed it after a few tries. It's a handy tool and great value for money. I cannot believe how well this worked to get the entire bulb out of the socket. The broken pieces did tear up the rubber end, but hey, that's still much cheaper than hiring a company to change a single light. Number 3. CTA Tools 1012 Mini Bulb Pliers. These pliers are designed for delicate work. They provide a gentle yet secure grip on glass bulbs. It grips the glass shell of the bulb gently and firmly, preventing damage. The unique design ensures a secure hold. Notice the cup-type ends. They create a circular gripping area, distributing pressure evenly across the bulb's surface. The scissor design makes these pliers incredibly easy to handle and maneuver. It allows for precise control and effortless operation. These pliers are perfect for anyone who needs a reliable tool for handling delicate glass bulbs. They are simple to use and get the job done efficiently. With its gentle grip, even pressure distribution, and easy-to-use design, it's the ideal tool for your needs. Choose quality, choose CTA tools. What we like. It offers a gentle yet secure grip on the bulb's glass. If you're worried about damaging delicate bulbs, this tool's design minimizes the risk. The scissor design makes it incredibly easy to maneuver and use, even in tight spaces. What people say. These are perfect for pulling those old light bulbs out the car when they're cold, hot, or are just hard to grip or get to. They fit in those tight places and gripped really well. Took a couple of minutes to get the factory bulbs out, only because I had to figure out what's the best position for the pliers to get a good grip on the bulbs. It's a small space you have to work in and these pliers worked great. The right tool for the job. Excellent small tool that is easy to use. Very good quality. The old light bulb came out very quick and I was able to put the replacement in, through a very narrow and expensive light cover. The tool saved the day for this heirloom light fixture. Number 2. Bayco LBC 800 Bulb Changer. Changing a broken light bulb can be frustrating. But with this handy tool, it's quick and easy, no more struggling with sharp glass. It simplifies the process, making light bulb changes a breeze. Say goodbye to dangerous broken glass. This tool is perfect for those tricky incandescent and candelabra bulbs. It securely grips and removes broken bulbs without causing further damage. It's made from durable plastic for safe and efficient bulb removal. Protect yourself from cuts and injuries. This tool is a must-have for every home and workplace. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. It's designed for ease of use and is built to last. If you primarily deal with incandescent and candelabra bulbs and want a simple, effective solution, this is a great option. Its straightforward design makes it perfect for quick bulb changes. What people say. It's very simple. It's simply a way to push down on the bottom of the light bulb without hurting yourself, and holding it firm enough to be able to twist. But it is very effective. Using it with extension pole as directed, I was very quickly successful in removing the broken off bulb base on an incandescent bulb, and replacing it with an LED one. I removed all others very easily. There is a hole at the top of the rubber to slide the filament through and the rubber latches onto the metal and just twist, worked perfectly. Even if the filament is broken it works. Number 1. Unger Professional Bulb Changer. This innovative tool makes removing broken light bulbs quick and easy. It's designed for safety and efficiency, saving you time and effort. It's fully insulated with a plastic glass catcher and zinc-plated steel fork to protect you from sharp glass and electrical hazards. Your safety is our priority. The Unger Bulb Changer removes even the most stubborn broken bulb bases without any struggle. It's designed for simple and effective use. It easily attaches to any telescopic pole, extending your reach without the need for a ladder or stool. Get those hard-to-reach bulbs with ease. The removable cone allows for adaptability to various bulb types and sizes. It's a versatile tool for any situation. Experience the difference with the Unger Professional Bulb Changer. It's the smart, safe, and efficient solution for removing broken bulbs. What we like. Safety is a top priority with its insulated design and zinc-plated steel. If you value safety and need to reach high or awkward bulbs, this tool is ideal. The ability to attach it to a telescopic pole eliminates the need for ladders, making it safer and more convenient. What people say. I was able to unscrew a broken light bulb's base in less than a minute by using the broken light bulb changer. The broken light bulb base had earlier defied my efforts to remove it by using pliers. He just put it into the broken light bulb screw part and twisted until it came out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.